very simple process. Okay, so I'm gonna move the camera so you can see what's involved and how I do it. We have cabbage, carrots, lots and lots of Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, lemon, a lime. We have thyme, a little bit of Maggi, and salt. Some people choose to buy cabbage already shredded so that way they don't have to go and do the process themselves. Nothing wrong with that. Time is precious. So I'm gonna cut the cabbage. And if you do not choose to buy the cabbage already shredded, so you need this so you can do the manual work yourself. Okay, I'm gonna move, you need a bowl. I'm gonna move it here in the part that the biggest holes in there, because you see it's different sides. I'm gonna choose this one and start. This is how it looks, very small. If you like it bigger, you can cut it yourself with the knife, like this. And it's gonna give you these shapes and sizes. Okay? After we do that, you get your peppers already washed. You cut them in the desired shape that you like. I am not wearing a glove because I don't intend to really touch them, but it is prudent to wear gloves when making pickles. Okay? So you cut all of them, and you do the same for the carrot. You bring it here. Let's push these aside. And you can see it is again the same thin elongated shape. Okay. I'm gonna add this. Add the peppers in. And how spicy you make it, again, it is up to your taste buds, how you like spicy or, you know, or not. Like that. And I have these. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna use my hand, or if you have a something else you can use to capture these. You don't want it to go into your pickles. These are really, really juicy. When choosing them, you gotta make sure that they are soft on the outside so you can get the best for your money. Cut that. I'm gonna add some vinegar, white vinegar. I'm gonna add salt, right? add some Maggi. Now I'm gonna take my sweet pepper so I can have some colors in there. Cut it thin. Let's move this so you can see. Move these. Be careful for your fingers, you don't cut them when using sharp objects. And what am I gonna do with the mix? I'm gonna take a knife or a fork. I'm gonna mix everything in, and you see you already have a nice colorful pikliz. You have yellow, red, and we have some greens in there. I also, depending on the mood I'm in, I would add some onions in there, or shallots. The shallots you will find in the Caribbean stores. And you decorate your pikliz to your liking. Et voila.